business is a vehicle to do good work with good humans and create legacy wealth for you and your loved ones. One of my missions with Her Empire Builder, which is why we called it Her Empire Builder, is to help make more wealthy women in the world. That is really what it is. We know wealthy women change the world. And I think too many people are putting too much into their businesses and not making enough money. And so while some people don't like talking about money very much, I do. I really like talking about money. I really like money. I think that people that say money doesn't buy happiness have never actually truly been broke, because if anyone has ever been broke and like truly broke and then had money, it is so much more fun having money than it is being broke. I think having financial stress and not being able to pay your bills and buy food and do all of that is one of the most stressful things that can ever happen in life. And so we really want to make sure that we're building a business with profit in mind that's sustainable, so that you can start creating a business that's going to allow you to live the life of your dreams, and then to create some legacy wealth for your family in there as well.